If you have been feeling a little lost, a little tired, a little what am I even doing with my life lately? Same. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and the episode of If My Thoughts Had a Podcast. So let's sit, breathe, overthink and romanticize our chaos, because sometimes honestly we just need someone to come and tell us you are not in this alone. Like seriously मैं इसके बारे में इतना ज़्यादा सोचती हूँ कि am I doing enough? Like मैं जब काम करती थी आई यूज टू गो टू वर्क एट 4:30 इन द मॉर्निंग. मेरा शिफ्ट स्टार्ट होता था बाय 6 एंड उसके बाद वो स्ट्रेच होता था अराउंड 2:45 तक. मैं घर पे आती थी अप्रोक्सीमेटली 3:45 4. आई यूज टू गेट ड्रेस्ड, आई यूज टू लीव फॉर माई अनदर जॉब. वहाँ से मैं आती थी अराउंड 10 o'clock एट नाइट. आफ्टर दैट आई यूज टू डू माई असाइनमेंट्स एंड स्टिल द गिल्ट यूज टू क्रिब इन कि एम आई डूइंग इनफ. लाइक सीरियसली हर बार कुछ अचीव करना जरूरी है क्या? लाइक डूइंग नथिंग ऑल्सो हील समथिंग. एंड ऑनेस्टली डोंट गेट मी रॉन्ग ऑन दिस. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि डोंट गो बिहाइंड योर गोल्स या अचीव मत करो, बट आई थिंक यू शुड टेक द डिजर्विंग ब्रेक. भागते भागते हम इतना दूर चले जाते हैं कि हमें रियलाइज ही नहीं होता कि हमने खुद को कब पीछे छोड़ दिया. लाइक कभी सोचा है कि what if it's already working out, but quietly? Like the universe is aligning everything to make it work our way. Like we grow out of it, we learn so many things when we fall straight on our face. But the thing is, the outcome बुरा कभी नहीं आया है. It has always made us a better person, a better individual, and the experience make us who we are today. So if it is not going our way, it is definitely going in a way better than we have even thought about it. So keep sowing the seeds and don't think so much about the result, because the result is gonna be perfect. I'm someone who over explains herself a lot. मैंने ये किया इसीलिए, मैंने वो किया इसीलिए. मैं ऑटो वालों को भी एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ एवरीथिंग कि मुझे उधर क्यों जाना है, क्या रीज़न है, ये वो. I have been a people pleaser, not a good thing, but I need to call myself out on this. It is not important that everyone understands you, because you are not a Wi-Fi connection that you connect with every single person on the earth. You are a piece of art, is what I think, is what I explain myself and boost myself up by saying that I'm a piece of art. And in this world, not everybody has an eye to see the art, right? So the right people will see you, feel you, hear you. Be there for the right people and stop over explaining yourself. Maybe ये वीडियो के थ्रू मैं खुद को भी ये रिमाइंडर दे रही हूँ कि stop. Not everyone has to understand you, because not everyone is important. What is important is you have to be very, very real with yourself and the people around you. सबसे ज्यादा टॉक्सिक चीज है टू कंपेयर. लाइक यूर स्क्रोलिंग इंस्टाग्राम एंड सडनली सबकी लाइफ इतनी परफेक्ट लगने लगती है. द परफेक्ट ब्रांड डील, द वेकेशन, कपल गोल्स, ये वो. बट स्टॉप. लाइक सीरियसली स्टॉप. हैव यू एवर थॉट कि तुम अपना बिहाइंड द सीन्स उनके हाईलाइटेड रील के साथ कंपेयर कर रहे हो, विच इज क्लियरली नॉट रियल. Like I feel everyone has problems. Like every single individual on this earth has problems, and nobody comes and speaks directly doesn't mean it's going perfect. It's all show. So I think the next time this spiral starts in your mind, just believe in yourself. Think it is not real and you are doing great in your real life. So the virtual life that you see, you do not have to let yourself down because of it. Healing is not aesthetic. काफी बोल्ड स्टेटमेंट है, बट हीलिंग को लेके बहुत ज्यादा गलत एक्सपेक्टेशंस है. पीपल थिंक इट्स जर्नलिंग इन योर पेस्टल बुक्स एंड डूइंग दैट परफेक्ट स्किन केयर विद सॉफ्ट म्यूजिक ऑन. बट ऑनेस्टली आई थिंक healing is crying in your room alone. Healing is cutting people off that you love just because they have outgrown you. Healing is sitting with your sadness without letting it numb you. It is slow, boring, confusing at times, but you have to do it anyway. Healing is not losing yourself in the process. Like, do you ever get this feeling जब सब सही जा रहा होता है and suddenly your brain goes like, why is everything going so smooth? Like, bro, why the hell am I panicking in peace? I think somewhere we have linked happiness with sadness. Like हम सोचते हैं कि अगर हम खुश हो गए तो अब कुछ बुरा हो जाएगा. We self-sabotage, ruin things even before they leave, pre-decide failure. And I think it's time to not prepare for the worst every time the best shows up. People often say, don't cross oceans for people who wouldn't even cross a bridge for you. Maybe it's true. Maybe it protects you. But honestly, I think you should. Because if crossing the ocean is your nature, if loving deeply, giving fully, and being there for people is who you are, then I don't think you should dim your light just because someone couldn't meet you halfway. Because crossing the ocean says so much about you than it says about them. And one day you're going to find someone who's gonna love you with all their heart, show you the same amount of love, effort, and kindness. Until then, don't stop being the ocean. तो ये था मेरा दिमाग का पॉडकास्ट. इट वॉज chaotic, इमोशनल, रॉ बट रियल. अगर तुम यहाँ तक आए हो तो जस्ट नो आई सी यू, आई फील you, I hear you. And if you have even one of the thought that matches with mine, comment down below. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We'll meet next Thursday. Until then, take care of your skin and your sleepy heart. I love you. Bye.